Yo, Sarafet, I'm Samy Beatz. A while back, I dropped one of the most popular tutorial how to make Afrobeat guitar melodies in FL Studio, and you guys absolutely loved it. We even turned the beat from that tutorial into a full song, Edemwa, which now has over 2.9 million views on YouTube. But today, I'm bringing you an updated version, no plugins, no sound, and some technique that will make the whole process way easier for you to create some smooth and catchy Afrobeat guitar vibe right from your setup. So, let's have some fun. I'm gonna go with a slow tempo, maybe 85. And first plugin can be contact 8, and we're going to use the mint library. So let me go to the classic view, and then we use the electric mint. Choose the melodic. Okay, I am going to use the bridge DI double preset. Okay, so first thing, let's try to find roots note. Okay, let's do okay, that's all the roots note of our chord. And then now let's complete the chord, and we can go like that. Okay, now we can transpose those notes right there. So just to show you guys, and then now we create the melody. Yeah. Okay, that's good. B, and then we duplicate this one. You see, pretty simple like that. Okay, we chop those right there. And then this is our guitar melody. This is the main melody. And it's a vibe already. Let me re-explain this over to you. You create your corporation, which is a B major, it was B minor, A major, and then G major. And then you transpose the middle note of each chord 1 octave higher. So, and then after you try to find a melody, a way to create the melody. So this worked nice. Since the tempo is slow, it creates automatically that swing. If we did like this, it would have been okay, but not as nice as this one. One thing you can see with this guitar is sound clean and nice already. I use the guitar DI because way back when I was at audio school, we love to use the sound from the DI instead of the sound from the pedal. Because when you create a guitar and then you record everything from the pedal, you cannot go back and then change the effect. The thing that's gonna make this one sound crazier is like layer this guitar with another guitar. I know this one is not how we usually create guitar melody, or we usually create guitar. We just add the guitar and then we create the effect. But I find a preset in this one, which is the soaring space double. So let's just copy this one and then we paste it here. So let Alt X, okay. You see, this create a dreamy guitar vibe. That's the preset. And then now we combine both of them. Let's say we have this. You see, now you have this vibe. Now we can definitely create a bass for this one. Let's go to Omnisphere. Let's use the sine bass, which is one of my favorite bass preset. And then now we can create some variation. And then those we can definitely make them shorter. 1 2 1 2 sorry, we can make them shorter so we can have this guitar vibe. That's a nice vibe. Woo. Okay, now I wanna combine this bass with another one. Let's use the sky keys, and then there's a preset that I created, which is the key bass. Now we are going to try to play some notes here and there. Oh Lord. Maybe we'll go with it's like simple note. Okay. Okay. Okay, for now we have to cut this bass right there so we can leave the space for this one. And maybe we can transpose those up, down. Okay, we'll do and then this one go down. That's a vibe. Now guys, I think I wanna add some drum. Let's go to the bonus the updated version. I think I'm gonna go with this one. We create this simple Afrobeat drum pattern. Cha 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 cha. Okay, good. Now let's go here so we can play. Ooh. Hey, hey. We already have a vibe. Ooh. Now let's just add the God particle, and on this one we use the Zaza. I think that you call Zaza preset. Woo! Hey. Now we can, if we want, go to Splice and try to find some vocal chop. Okay guys, I think we're good with what we have right now. I'll go with this one. Okay. Okay, let's call this one vocal chop. chop, and then we just add a crazy reverb on it. Let's go with the little plate. I love this plugin, works really well on vocal chop. I say give us this really crazy crazy harmony and this crazy. And then we just place them here and there, and then we try to find something that's over. Nice. That was one and one. And this one is on F, and then we're going to transpose it like 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 6. Let's hope it sound good, not crazy. Okay, out of this one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then we have this back again here. Ooh. Ooh. That's better. I love it now. I love it. Okay. Woo! That's a vibe. That's a crazy vibe, guys. So you just sent some plugin over to me. I'm gonna try to create something with one of these. Okay, I want this. Now we are going to word this one in channel 2, and then we do this recording when the arm track. Yeah, we start, and then we're gonna be good, I think. Guys, I just discovered those plugins, and then that's one of the ways to use it. I don't know if I use it properly, but I think this is gonna work. Okay, it's like we will have this right there. We can cut this and then add this in there instead, and then we're good to go. Boom, we cut this one, and then now we can delete the plugin because now we're good. Now let's see now. Oh, I have it too. Okay, so let's add it here like we are finishing the project, right? Nice. And now let me show you how you can turn it into compare easily. So let's go to our Afro compare kit. I'm dropping this one later this month. Let's use this Kali right there, and then boom, another one just right there. Let's chop this one here. Comment B, like. And then we can add a basic keyboard. Nice. Let's do it like that. I think I might turn this one into an Afro compa, which is I'm gonna start with the Afrobeat and then later turn it into a compa vibe. What? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Should I turn this one into Afro compa or keep it Afrobeat? Let me know what do you think in the comment section. So let's see that we have it like that. Okay, now we can make this one unique, and then now we have the compa, and we can turn this one like this. You see, now we have another bounce, and we can turn this one down a little bit, because in compa you don't want all the instrument to be loud. That's the vibe we can go with. Please let me know in the comment section if you think I should turn it into an Afro compa or just keep it Afrobeat, a simple vibe. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Now let me let you enjoy the final vibe. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions about how to make catchy Afrobeat guitar melody, leave a comment down below. See you on the next one.